GED sample 1 question. Let's solve this problem. A circular drain has a diameter of 4.8 inches. To the nearest tenth of an inch, what is circumference of the drain? So the formula here is C equals pi multiplied by D. So when they ask for circumference, you have to understand that this is pi multiplied by the diameter, and the pi is a value which will be provided. So pi, to read this pi, which is 3.14. So when you apply the formula, we're going to have a C equals 3.14 multiplied by the diameter here, which is 4.8 inches. So it's given here and also in the problem. Now using a calculator, the result is C equals 15.072. It have to be inches. Now, there is something important we have to understand, which is that they say to the nearest tenth. To the nearest tenth. I know that confuses sometimes. So a quick review. When they say to the nearest tenth, that means what? They want one decimal place. So one digit after the decimal point. Sometimes they could say to the nearest cent. So 2 decimal places to 2 digits after the point, which is same as to say to the nearest hundredth to 2 decimal places. Or they can say to the nearest thousandth, means 3 decimal places or 3 digits after the point. Now come back to the answer. So you have 15.072 inches. So to the nearest cent, which is to stop at 1 digit after the decimal, but you cannot write 15.0. You check after 0 what number you have. Here is a 7. So when the number you have after that digit is 5 or greater, so you need to round up the digit. Means here we have a 7 after 0, so the answer will be 15.1, which is B. See you in our next video for more some questions. Thank you.